I think you are more comfortable now. What is a complex number? I am sharing something else. It is operation. Operation means what? How to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide any two complex number. Let us look at these two complex number. One is 5 minus 3i. The other one is nothing but minus 3 plus 7i. Minus 3 plus 7i. I am sharing all four basic operation with these two term only. Now addition. 5 minus 3i, then plus sign, minus 3 plus 7i. What to do? These numbers which are along with the I, that to be added separately, and the simple number this, that further also this part is called as real part, which we will be discussing afterward, and this part is called as complex part. So 5 and minus 3, it will give you 2, and over here it will be 4i. Is it comfortable? Next, z1 minus z2. What does it mean? 5 minus 3i will be as it is. Due to this minus, the sign will be changing, so it will be plus 3 minus 7i. Now you know the simple addition. 5 and 3 will give you 8 minus 10i. Next step, z1 into z2. The basic thing is writing the same thing whatever it is given as it is. Then in multiplication you have learned binomial into binomial. This 5 is multiplied over here. It is nothing but minus 15. This 5 is multiplied over here. 35i. It will be minus 9i and minus 21i square. Already you are aware of I square is nothing but minus 1. So this become plus 21. This plus 21 and minus 15. So you will be getting the answer over here 6. Plus, out of 35, 9 is subtracted. That means you will be getting 26i. Okay? Following how the basic operation is, this is multiplied by this opening of the bracket and all, there is no change. Now division. 5 minus 3i divided by minus 3 plus 7i. Do you know whenever you have learned this kind of the simplification in rational number, you have multiplied with the conjugate. So it is to be multiplied with minus 3 minus 7i. Over here also minus 3 plus 7i. Sorry, minus 7i. Do you know denominator is a square minus b square? It will give you minus 3 the whole square minus of 7i the whole square. And in this case opening 5, here it is 5, and this term will be nothing but minus 15. First term will be minus 15, then it will be minus 35i, then it will be plus 9i, and the last term will be plus 21i square. Now you have seen earlier two steps. Try to simplify. Did you got the same thing? Minus 36 minus 26i upon 9 minus 49i square. One more step. You don't want I square, I cube in any question. So it will be minus 36 minus 26i. This will be same. And I square is minus 1. Here 9. It will be getting as 58. Okay. So similarly you can try for this. 2z1 minus. That what is to be done? 2 will be here. Put the value of z1. Minus 3. Put the value of z2. And simplify. 13 minus 27i. Now z2 square is minus 3 plus 7i the whole square. A plus b the whole square. A square is 9. Minus 2ab. 3 to 42i plus 49i square. This is again I square is minus 1. So minus here. And that means you will be getting 40 minus 42i. z1 cube. Now z1 is nothing but 5 minus 3i the whole cube. Now you should know the a cube. Minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square, and the last one plus b cube means something cube. So this is 5, over here 5, this is 5 a, and b value is nothing but we have written minus, so it will be 3i. Over here also 3i, over here also 3i. Just simplify this, try at your end. So you will be getting minus 10 minus 202i. 202i. I am adding few more simple concept. Look here, conjugate. The definition of if any complex number is in the form of x plus iy, then its conjugate z bar can be written as x plus iy the whole bar x minus iy. If z1 is 3 minus 4i, its conjugate will be 3 plus 4i. If z2 is minus 3 plus 7i, its conjugate will be nothing but minus 3 minus 7i. We are changing the sign. Suppose z is I minus 7 and question is asked about what is z bar, then it will be nothing but I minus 7 the whole bar, and you will get minus 7 minus I. Okay, now question is how it has been brought, because generally it is to be written in this form and change the sign of I only. Is it okay? Two more questions. The modulus. If z is any complex number with the x plus iy, then mod of z is nothing but root under x square plus y square. This is a rule. So z1 is 2 plus 3i, so it will be nothing but 2 the whole square plus 3. Listen here, only I will be not taken here. 3 square is 9, here it is 13. Now find the modulus of z1 minus z2 bar upon z3. z1, z2 or z3 is given. What is to be done? These values to be put over here. We'll simplify. After simplification, then we can find the mod. Just replace and try to simplify. So if you open up this z bar over here, it is 2. This will be as it is, this minus sign. Here it will be plus. Now if you simplify, you will get minus 6 plus 2i minus 1 plus I. Now the concept of division has come. So minus 1, here it is minus I. Over here also minus 1 minus I. Then simplify. You will get numerator as plus 6. Then it will be plus 6i minus 2i minus 2i square divided by minus 1 the whole square minus I the whole square. So if you further simplify, finally you will get 6. This is nothing but minus 1. So it will be 8 plus 4i, and whole is divided by minus 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus I square is minus 1. So you will be getting 2. You can take 2 common, and finally you will get 4 plus 2i. Now your task is to get the mod of this 4 plus 2i. What is the mod rule? It is nothing but, this is nothing but what you have got, 4 plus 2i. Now mod of this, if it is asked, then it will be, here it is 16 plus 4, it will be root 20, and root 20 can be calculated. It will be 2 root 5. So quickly note down few questions. z1 is 2 minus I, z2 is 3 plus 2i, and z3 is nothing but 1 plus zi. So these are the questions. First question, z1 plus z2, then z2 plus z1, then z1 plus z2 plus z3, z1 plus z2 plus z3, changing the bracket. Find out the product of z1 z2, find out the product of z2 z1. What we have did with the addition, you can also try z1 into z2 into z3. Here also changing the bracket. How do you answer this question? Find out the addition first and then take a conjugate. Here first take a conjugate and then answer with the same values. I am not changing the values. Values will be fixed. z1 bar, then z1 bar, again one more time you can take bar. z1 into z2. First multiply and then take a conjugate. First take a conjugate, then multiply. Then first divide z1 by z2 by conjugate approach. To this divide, you will get the conjugate, means finally get the simple answer of that. Few more questions. Take a conjugate and then simplify. First multiply and then find out the mod. First find out the mod and then multiply. Divide and then get a mod. First take a mod and then divide. And last two question, multiply z1 into z1 bar, and the last question is find out the mod of z. So this you just try to finish, and then we'll have a further discussion.